G'day, I'm Tim Thompson, and it's nearly the end of 2020. Yes, I hear you say. SpiralFast, in honour of that wonderful event, are having a competition. First prize is a $1,000 Bunnings voucher, second prize a pair of boots, third prize some SpiralFast and safety glasses. The competition is really simple. Get yourself a trial pack of SpiralFast for the cost of postage using the code word TIM, either on the link on my website or at spiralfast.com. Practice joining two pieces of plain wire together. You can join the plain wire together using strainers, or you can simply tie it off against a fence post and practice it loose. The competition rules are really simple. You have to be joining two pieces of plain wire together from start to finish. You have to overlap in the middle to make it safe, and you have to be wearing safety glasses. Once you've joined your SpiralFast and you reckon you're the quickest kid on the block, either upload that video to social media using the hashtag SpiralFast, or if you're not into all that social media malarkey, head over to spiralfast.com and submit your video there. Competition closes on the 12th of December. Check out spiralfast.com for all competition details and the announcement of winners. Good luck everyone, and let's see if you are the fastest fencer out there. So how fast are you?